Hello students, very good morning. How are you all? I hope you might be well and good. Okay, once again today welcome back for the lecture number 5, and today we will cover up the exercise 2.3. But before we move on to exercise 2.3, let me tell you something. I have noticed that so many of you have not visited the videos and not seen the exercises which we have completed previously. So please guys, do subscribe the channel and you can go through the videos. And once again let me tell you that in this exercise we'll cover up the multiplication again, because this exercise is also based on the multiplication of the fractions as we have done in the exercise 2.2. And many of you have also approached me that sir, I'm not able to find out the book. We are not having the book right now, so don't you worry about the books. Okay, I used to send the pics of the exercises. So the questions which I am giving for the homework and for the practice, you can go through from those pics. I'll send you in the group. I usually used to send them. Okay, but then also many of you have the problem. So this information is for them. Okay, so before we begin exercise 2.3, let me tell you here now we are going to multiply the fractions which are in the mixed form and which are in the fraction form. Okay, so we'll start with the question number 1. Question number 1, which is saying that multiply the following fractions. Okay, so in this I'll give you the third part of the first one. Okay, here it's saying that 4 write 2 by 5. I'll write a little bit big because it might not be visible to you, so I'll write a little bit big. Okay, it is 4 write 2 by 5 into 5 by 7. Alright, so we'll put the heading solution. Okay, now what we'll do, first of all, we'll try to convert this into the improper fraction. That is 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is equal to how much? 22 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 7. Now what is our next step? What we'll do, we'll try to check that whether the cross section values are being cancelled or not. So here we can see that 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Both are coming in the table of each other. That means they can be cancelled. Okay, now 22 and 7 are not coming in the table of each other. That means 22 upon 7, 22 ones are and 7 ones are. 22 upon 7 is our answer. Okay, so this is our question number 1, third part. Now we'll move on similarly to the next question. That is, yes, question number 2. Again, multiply the following fractions. In this also, question number 2, we'll do the third one itself. Here what it is saying, 2 write 3 by 7. 2 write 3 by 7 2 write 3 by 7 multiply by 14 upon 51. 14 upon 51. Okay, again we will convert this fraction into the improper fraction, then we will cancel out. 7 ones are 7, 7 to the 14 plus 3 is equal to how much? 17 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 51. Now from the cross section, what we can see that 7 and 14 comes in the table of each other. So 7 ones are 7 twos are, and here again 17 ones are 17 threes are. So what is our answer? We can see here that 2 ones are from the numerator and 3 ones are from the denominator. That means 2 upon 3 is our final answer. Okay, so similarly we'll move on to the next questions. That is question number 3. Okay, so question number 3, what we can say again is demanding the multiplication. So we'll do the second one of this. Okay, question number second one, 15 upon 7 into 9 write 1 by 3. we put the heading solution. Okay, again this is already into the improper fraction, so 15 upon 7 multiply. What we will do here, 3 9s are 27 plus 1 is equal to how much? 28 by 3. Okay, from the cross section again we'll check whether they are being cancelled or not. So 3 1s are 3 5s are 7 1s are 7 4s are. What we can see in the numerator, 5 into 4 is remaining, and the denominator there is nothing. That means 5 4s are 20 is our answer. So in this way we can do the multiplication. This exercise and exercise number 2.2 both are very easy. Okay, now we will move on to the next question. Question number 4. We'll do one of this also. Question number 4. We'll do the second one again for this. It's saying that 3 write 1 by 19 multiply by 2 write 3 by 8. Okay, again we'll convert this into the improper fraction. That means 19 3s are 57 plus 1 is equal to 58 upon 19 multiply 2 8 is 16 plus 3 19 upon 8. Okay, from the cross section 19 1s are 19 1s are both are cancelled. Now from here 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 9s are. What is remaining? From the top side 29 1s are 29 and 4 1s are 4. Now we can see the question was given into the mixed fraction, so we'll also put the answer, calculate the answer in the mixed form only. So you can do the division in the rough side by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28. Remainder is 1. That means our answer will be 7 right 1 by 4 is our final answer. Okay, see, when we have to write the question, the solution into the mixed fraction, when the question itself is given in the mixed form. अगर हमें mixed form में question दिया है तो हमें आंसर भी mixed form में लाना है. Otherwise, we can leave it in the normal fraction form. Okay, so we have completed 4 questions. Then we will move on to the question number 5. Okay. So question number 5, we'll do the third one. Question number 5, third one we'll do. And guys, it's a request to all of you that let me know while you just text me that you are being aware for this subject, you are practicing, you are watching the videos or not. If you are watching and practicing and doing the homework, then just text me in the group. Okay, in the group it's the setting is done for the admins only. Okay, so you cannot message in the group, you can message me personally. Okay, so that let me know that how many of you are practicing the questions. Okay, so then we move on to the question number 5. That is third one. As third one is saying, question number 3, 4 write 1 by 5 multiply 2 write 1 by 12, 2 write 1 by 12 multiply 3 write 1 by 5. I'll rub this here. 3 write 1 by 5. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Till 4th question we have done the multiplication of the 2 mixed fractions. Now one more fraction is added here, so it's not a big issue. First of all, we'll convert them into the improper fractions. So 4 5s are 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 by 5 multiply by 12, 2 is 24 plus 1 25 by 12. Multiply 5 3 is 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. Okay, so from the cross section we will check out which numbers are being cancelled. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Okay, then these both the numbers are even numbers, and from here it can be cancelled by 3 also. First of all we will cancel it by 2. So 2 6 are 2 8 are. Okay, then 2 3s are no by 3 because this is odd number. So 3 2s are 3 7s are. What is remaining on the top? 7 into 8. And one more thing, one time the denominator 2 is there. We'll cancel out once again. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. What is remaining? 7 4s are 28 is our answer. Okay, so like this we can do the multiplication and cancel out the cancel which numbers which are being cancelled. Now we will move on to one more question of the question number 5. I hope you might have understood, as I already told you in the previous lecture that you should be able to learn the tables approximately up to 20. Then only you will be able to do the cancellation or multiplication properly. Okay, so now we'll move on to the question number 5 of the fifth one only. Okay, so question number 5, fifth one. What it is saying? 4 write 1 by 5. Multiply 2 write 1 by 2 into 1 write 3 by 7. Okay. As a few of the students, they have messaged me personally and they have shown me the homework. So I really appreciate them, and similarly you all of you practice the questions, and whatever the homework you are doing, just let me know. Okay, so now question number 5, fifth one. Again we'll convert this into the improper fraction. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, that is equal to 21 by 5. Multiply 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 7 1 is 7 plus 3, 10 by 7. Now listen up. See how we are cancelling. See, cancellation is not having a definite what we can say definite sequence. Okay, you can cancel out from any one of them. आप कहीं से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं किसी भी नंबर को लेके पहले. तो चलो हम यहाँ से करते हैं. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. What is remaining on the top? And one more thing guys, you have to check out that whether the numbers in the numerator as well as in the denominators are not left. कोई नंबर ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कैंसिल हो रहा है या बचा है और हमने उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके कंसीडर कर लिया. गलत तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन you have to simplify them up till the last value or last step. So from the numerator 3 and 5 are remaining, and from the denominator nothing is there. That means 3 5s are 15 is our final answer. Okay, so this completes our question number 5. Now we will move on to the question number 6, which is very easy. Okay, so question number 6, what it is saying? It is saying that what is 1 by 2. We'll write down the further question for the numbers downside. What is 1 by 2 of 1 by 5 of 68,050? Okay, solution adding will put downside. We'll start from this side, from the corner. Okay, so as I told you, sorry, we missed off here once again. 1 by 2 of 1 by 5 of 68,050. So as I told you in the previous lecture, what is the meaning of off? Off means multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 5 multiplied by 68,050. In the denominator we can take it 1. Okay, so we can start from anywhere. First of all, we will start from, as the last number is 0, that means 0 and 5 are the multiples of each other. That means they comes in the table of each other. So we will begin up with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Remaining 1. 18. 5 threes are 15. Remaining 3. 5 6 are 30. Then 5 ones are 5 and 0 will be as it is. Okay. See, if you are not able to cancel out like this, you can do the divisions. So many students, they are not that much of in the practice, so you can do in the division form also. How? Let me tell you. It was 68050. When we take in the rough side, that is 368050, we have to divide by 5. So 5 ones are 5. Remainder 1. 8 carried forward. 5 3 is 15. 3 remainder 0. 5 6 is 30. Then 5 will bring forward. 5 ones are 5, and this 0 we can put it here. That means what is our answer after the cancellation? 13610. Got it? So if you are having the confusion that the number is big and you are not able to cancel out by like this, so you can do in the rough side by the division method. Okay, so now by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 is 12, 1 carry, 2 8 is 16, and 0 2 5 is 10. That means 6805 is our final answer. Got it? So this completes our question number 6. Now we'll move on to the last question. Question number 7. You can do it in the homework. Okay, so question number 7 and 8 are word problems. So question number 7 is homework. Question number 8, what it is saying, that a truck covers a distance of 62 right 1 by 2 kilometer in 1 hour. Then how much distance will it cover in 2 right 1 by 2 hours at a uniform speed? That means a truck is moving on with the same speed. Okay, so firstly he has covered, the truck has covered, we put the heading question number 8. As we used to do in the word problem, first of all, what is given? In the given, it's given that distance covered by truck in 1 hour is equal to how much? It's given 62 right 1 by 2 kilometer. Okay, and to find, what we have to find? To find the distance covered by truck in 2 ride 1/2 hours. Okay. Solution. It's not a big deal. See, when the truck is traveling for 1 hour, it is covering 62 ride 1/2 kilometer of the distance. And when it is traveling for 2 ride 1/2 hours, that means how much distance will it cover? So what we have to do here? Simple, it's multiplication. So you can say directly distance covered by truck in 2 ride 1/2 hours is equal to distance covered in 1 hour, that is 62 ride 1/2 into 2 ride 1/2 time. So what we can see, first of all, we'll convert them into the improper fractions. So 62 to the how much? 124 and plus 1. It will be 125. Okay, so upon 2 multiply 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 upon 2. From the cross section we can see whether they are being cancelled or not. No, either of them is not, neither of them is being cancelled. So we'll write them as it is and multiply in the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So what we can see here, 125 multiplied by 5 upon 2 to the 4. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 2 12, 5 is a 5 1 6. So that means the distance covered by the truck is 625 by 4 kilometers. Okay, and if you want to write down the answer into the mixed fraction, so how you can do? You will do in the rough side. 625 you will divide by 4. 4 1s are 4. 2 brought forward. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. Then 4 6 are 24. Remainder 1. What is remaining? We can see here that 156 in the round figure. You can write down here 156, right? What is the remainder? 1. 1/4 kilometer is our answer. Okay, so we can say that the distance covered by the truck after traveling 2 ride 1/2 hours is 156 kilometers in the round figure and 1/2 kilometers in the fraction, that means 0.25 kilometer. So 156 right 1/4 kilometers is the distance covered by truck. So this completes our exercise 2.3. Further we will move on to the next exercise in the next lecture. Till then, practice the homework questions which I'll send you in the group. And guys, as I told you in the middle of the video also, that those who have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and practice the homework questions. And if you're doing the homework, then just drop me a message in the after the homework completion. Till then, take care and have a great day. Bye bye.